My name is Senator Abdul Ningi, and I represent Bauchi Central, Bauchi State. This is a petition coming from Bauchi State government, from the office of the Executive Governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bala Bauchi. And Mr. President, the petition reads as this: My dear uncommon President of the Senate, petition on the inclusion of non-indigenes in the shortlisted candidates for Nigerian Air Force BMTC 4524 against the interests of indigenous applicants from Bauchi State. Mr. President, the petition reads, this is to bring to the attention of the Senate a matter of grave concern raised by the Executive Governor of Bauchi State on the inclusion of non-indigenes as indigenes of Bauchi State in the Nigerian Air Force Basic Military Training course. It is imperative, Mr. President, to note that the interest of Bauchi State has been so shortchanged, so marginalized, that the names that appeared...
Any encumbrance?
No, sir, no, sir.
You may proceed to lay the petition.
Mr. President, in conclusion,
no, the petition will be argued when it is referred to the relevant committee.
I have to conclude, Mr. President, by your leave. And I want to tell the acting leader, I know this job better than him. May I lay the petition?
Senator Ningi, the petition is referred to the Committee on Ethics, Code of Conduct, and Public Petitions in collaboration with the Committee on Air Force to refer to the Senate in 1 week, because I think this is a matter that could be cleared in a day. Thank you. Any other petition? No more petition. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President.